Today is a kids special recipe. Today I am going to show you a super simple, yummy, kids favorite pasta. So for the pasta, I've taken 1 cup of penne wheat pasta, some shredded mozzarella cheese, 3 tomatoes for the pasta sauce, and also some pizza and pasta sauce which is store bought, and some tomato ketchup which is again store bought, and some oregano. Now let's start with boiling the pasta. So I already have the water boiling here. I'm going to add this 1 cup of pasta into this, a teaspoon of oil so that the pasta doesn't stick to each other, and little bit of salt. Let the pasta come to a nice boil and allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now for the pasta sauce, I am making a cut, a plus like cut in these tomatoes, and I am going to microwave them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now the tomatoes are cooked well now. I will be taking this skin off. It's hot, so I'll allow them to cool, and I'm going to put them in a blender jar and I'm going to grind it to a paste. Now I have ground the tomatoes nicely into a fine paste, and the pasta is also cooked, so I've put off my flame and I'm going to strain this. So after I strain this, I am going to wash the pasta in the running water so that the pasta doesn't get overcooked, because when pasta gets overcooked it may break. So I am washing it with the running water. Now heat a pan and add some butter into it. Once the butter melts, I am going to add this tomato puree. This may splash, so ensure that you are safe and cover it with a lid to avoid any splashes on you. So I am adding some water into the jar, and I'm going to do this, and I'm going to add this into this. Now to this, I'm adding a little bit of salt. You're going to add cheese, and also you have already added salt in the pasta, so add very little. A teaspoon of sugar, just to balance the sourness of the tomato and also to retain the color, and some Kashmiri red chili powder for the color, and give it a good mix. Now you can see that the tomato is nicely cooked. Now I am going to add little store-bought tomato ketchup, now about a tablespoon, and the pasta sauce, the pizza pasta sauce, about a tablespoon. Giving it a mix. After the sauces gets mixed really well like this, I'm going to add a dash of pepper powder, some oregano, and adding the cooked pasta to this and mixing it well. Now the pasta is nicely mixed in the sauce. I'm going to add this cheese, the shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm going to mix it well, and I'm also putting off the stove. Now after mixing this well, I'm going to cover the lid and keep it for about 2 minutes for the cheese to get melted. So now it's about 2 minutes. Now you can see the cheese has nicely melted. I'm giving it a good mix. It's so cheesy and looks so yummy. Now I'm going to transfer this to a serving dish. So this is a napped snack for kids once they are back from school or once they are back from play, etc. So viewers, do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments below if your kids loved it. So see you all in the next video. Until then, bye.